What's up, guys? We're back here. Our takeoff point here is the backyard. Once we get up in the air, we start heading northwest. We were planning on doing a range check here, but as you'll see shortly, that did not happen. So right now we're just cruising, taking our time getting out there. But here in a little bit I'm going to show you what happened and why we crashed. Coming up on the ditch here, actually go down right past it. So once we get to this point here, start a little rotation, and then we go down hard, giving it throttle, but nothing seemed to make it want to go up. So then we jump here quick to 32 times the speed just to get through the video that looks the same real quick. Took us a while to get the four-wheeler out and everything. All in all about 8 minutes. But as you can see us rolling in on the four-wheeler now. At this time we didn't really know what went wrong. It looked to me like my video froze, but after some analysis we realized that probably wasn't the problem. So here's us rolling up on it now, and then we'll cut to another video to show you the problem.
I don't know what the hell happened.
Here's the drone. What actually happened was the nut in the top right hand corner came loose, allowing the motor to spin without the prop to spin, as you can see there. That doesn't happen on any of the 3 other motors. So what you want to do is make sure when you remove your props, you tighten those up as tight as you can so that doesn't happen. Other than that, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching.